feel like I've done everything right. I know, yeah, I felt like I was on, like everything felt good today. Being on the side of the mat felt good. And then just, when I got out there, just, I don't know. So at Pan Pacs I competed at heavyweight, which is 94 in the gi, 92 no gi. But then as soon as I got home from the Pan Pacs, I went straight into camp for the WKN MMA Worlds. So we got put on a strict new diet, man, and my weight just started dropping, you know. I'm really excited to compete at medium heavy. I haven't competed at medium heavy for about a year. I think it's definitely a good move, and makes me feel a little bit more confident heading into this weekend. After the Pan Pacs and stuff, I was a bit down about losing. I had a good talk with you fellas just about grounding myself and remember who I'm fighting for, you know, where I come from, going back to my Māoritanga when I'm a bit rangirua to help me through those hard times, you know, and it did, it really did.
Kua e ki te wā e whakatinana hia ai e Hakaraia, ngā tini akoranga mohoa noa nei.
Yeah, today I'm just going to get in there and I'm looking for the takedown. All the competitors over here, they like to play guard. As they're pulling guard, if I touch their leg, then it gives me 2 points. As opposed to if they pull guard, then I feel pressured because it's 0-0, I'm going to have to try and hunt that guard pass.
Nōna e whakatata ana ki te hoariri tuatahi, ka whai wāhia Hakaraia ki tōna matua me tōna niwha.
You first, bro. You first.
Pai tū pai hinga tēnei mahi te mamau, he nui tonu o ngā ngi tūtanga, o ngā hekenga, me o ngā koranga.
I felt like I left no stone unturned in preparation, but just didn't pull the trigger out there. I know, yeah, I felt like I was on, like everything felt good today. Being on the side of the mat felt good. And then just, when I got out there, just, I don't know. It's nothing new though, like, he beat me with the shit that I know how to defend and I just didn't defend it. But the main thing is that I know I'm better than that, you know? I know I'm better than what I showed to the world today. I'm just gonna get home and just get straight back into it.